Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy Brent. I want to thank you guys for checking out the video today. We got the team back. We got Jermaine out here. We got my boy Manny. So basically, today, what we're going to do is I'm using the A7RIV and I'm using the 105mm 1.4. This is basically to get me back to where I like to be. Today, I got a new model that I'm shooting with. Her name is LaShonda. I've never shot with her before. So this is a great opportunity for her to work with me, the team, and see how things are going to be. So basically today what we're doing is kind of like a small little editorial with what she's wearing, and then we're going to go into a more urban type feel just to get two looks for you guys. And actually this is just going to be a fun shoot today. I'm using the R2 Part 2 trigger, a 38-inch softbox with the Explorer 600 on a boom arm. The reason why I use a boom arm so much is because I don't have to have a assistant when I use a boom arm. I can boom it right over the model and put it exactly where I want it, so I don't have to, when I shoot, I won't get the stand and the flash in the shot. So I recommend everybody use a boom arm. My boom arm is just absolutely great. And I'm also using my kettlebell to hold it down so it doesn't move. If you guys are having trouble weighing down your C-stands, use a kettlebell. It is the best thing. I'll put it in the description, and I might even give you a little bit of B-roll of it. How about that? And I'll see you guys after the shoot. Holla. Peace. Last few poses, I'm gonna get you to turn forward towards me. Perfect. I want to get you to hold this. What is this? Is that a belt? No. That's the whole thing, ain't it? Yeah. Okay, cool. So awkward hands. So what we do with awkward hands, one is higher than the other one. All right, and then you're pretty much just going into the pose. All right, lean bond. Boom. Yep, that's it right there. So you see how you went into that, like with attitude and stuff? That's what I want you to do. All right. Ready? All right, here we go. Good. The left hand, it goes on there too, right at the bottom. Yep, perfect. This one, bring up more. Good. Turn your body this way. Good. Chin up, right there. Attitude. Now, right now, your elbow is out here. So what you want to do is bring it behind you a little bit. There you go. So you see your monitor like this? That's what you. There you go. See, it's a totally different. There we go, perfect. Chin up, all right. Good, turn your head towards the light. There you go, good. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, what? Hold on now. No, you didn't, okay. Wait a minute, let's do it again. I loved it, perfect. Good, chin this way. Good, eyes back to me, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Chin down, down, down. Good. Eyes up. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Oh, goodness. And one more. You're going to turn the head this way. So switch hands. Put this one down. Put this one up. There you go. Turn your body this way. Good. You're going to look this way now. Perfect. The light is going to hit you dead in the face. So you can bring, you're good. Actually, that's good. Actually bend into that lean a little bit more. Let me see. Perfect. There you go. And actually, I love how her hand is right there on her head. But I would have liked her hand on her hair though. So we'll change it up. So here we go. All right, 3. Good. I like it. I liked how you parted your lips. 3, 2, 1. Good. That left hand right there, right here on your head. See how I got it? Yep, perfect. Chin up. Good. Beautiful. Relax, relax. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, stay right there. Stay right there. Gorgeous. Like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, we're gonna come over here. And we're gonna get some pictures of you kind of like right here. Actually, do you wanna use this or you wanna use the glass area? I think that actually look better. What's up? Something right here. Yeah. we gotta make it do something. See, look at it. See how it's just resting there?
Yeah.
If you would have did something with the hand to make that a little bit more central, that would have been an amazing shot right there.
Okay.
All right. So you have to either you can either grab this part, like when you're doing this, you can either grab like this part and look back. You have to do something to make the shot. Okay. We want to make the shot. There you go. You just got to come in character. There it is. Let's see here. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna take one more shot. Make sure you look up at the light. Quick. Bring it down some more, like right. Yep, perfect, right there. Here we go. Oh, girl, you're giving me life. Head up, bring your chin up. Right there, eyes open. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shut up! Shoot! There it is. That's the shot. I'm posting that juice tonight. There you go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move to the second part of the photo shoot here. We're gonna go downstairs to get a little bit more suburban, urban type feel. And I'll see you guys after the shoot. Holla. Peace. Hey, what's up everybody? So we moved to second location number 2. We are actually in a parking garage right now. So this is gonna be pretty cool. So the first set of shots, I shot all those with the 105-1.4, right? Now I'm gonna use the Tamron 17-28 f2.8. This is a wide angle lens. Now, a lot of people ask me, why don't you just get the 12-24 G Master? I'm sorry, but I'm not paying $3,000 for a lens. I'm sorry. I did that when I bought the 70-200 G Master. That was $2,500. That killed me. But $3,000 for a wide angle? I'm sorry. I just think there are kind of like better options out there. But I haven't really used it yet. But the 17-28 is wide enough. Take a few steps back, take a few steps forward, and you got 12 millimeters almost. It'll get more depth of field. I mean, it'll get more of the wide area in the shot a little bit, 5 millimeters, but 17-28. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it and tell me if you like these wide angle shots. I haven't even shot it yet, but I see something that I wanna shoot and I love what she has. I think these shots are gonna come out great. I'm also gonna show you the benefits of using a boom arm. This is why you need to use a boom arm when you're doing photography, because it completely gets everything out of your shot. And I'm gonna show you why right now. Here we go. You ready? Hold on. Let me see where she is. You don't move. You're good.
This zip more or
huh?
This zip, should I stick out more?
This hip should come out a little bit more, but it's what it is. It's about the definition.
Yeah.
So where this leg is and how this fit apart, the more definition you have in between, the better. It makes the more shot look more dynamic. So what we'll do is we'll take a shot, rest a little bit, then we'll take another shot. That way you don't feel like a chicken all day. All right, grab that light. Let me see how far I can bring it. All right, ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, here we go. Nice and strong whenever you're ready. Sorry, ooh, there you go. Oh, give it. Wait, 3, 2, 1. All right, so your head is down right now. I can't take a shot like that. It has to be up in the light. So head up, good. This hand can get dropped. Drop this hand, right, and put it actually right in your belt. Is that a belt? Can you put a thumb in there or something? There you go. Awkward, I love it. All right, 3, 2, 1. Good. Right, look over right here. You gotta lean your head back. There you go. Trying to keep your face in the light. Actually turn your head that way. Beautiful. Now, right now you like grabbing the back of it. So can you like hold, like kind of like you got like a little, brim hat, you know what I'm saying? Like hold it on the side or something. But like grabbing it back here. Or even with like 2 hands, you know what I'm saying? We can do a little shadow shot, ain't no wrong with that. Like you cool, yeah. Turn your body, lean. There you go. Ooh, I love it some more. Lean, there you go. Head up right here. Look back right over here. Boom, there it is. 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold on, stay right there. I gotta get one more shot. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. ISO. 3, 2, 1. Very nice, I love it. All right, and then we want to do one with just one hand. With that 1-1. I want you to kind of turn this way a little bit. There you go. Good. Right back here. There you go. So yep, hold with that hand. Drop this hand because this hand is closer to the light, so we can let the light come in on the side. Actually, I'm gonna stand up for this one. All right, here we go. Good. 3, 2, 1. Bend that leg in a little bit. This one back here. Yeah, break it in. You're good. Just like that. Perfect. Just like you was walking and dragging. And look back like right here at the light. Just like there. Perfect. Look back. Turn your whole head. Keep your whole head. There you go. Perfect. Awkward. 3, 2, 1. Good. Last one. Hey, what's up everybody? I want to thank y'all for checking out another amazing video. Hey, this is kind of my first shoot I've done since I've kind of been back from deployment, and I've had an amazing time. I have so much content coming to you guys. I just can't wait to drop it. I had to take a little time for family and everything to get acclimated, but we had a really great shoot in this time. I want to thank my model, LaShonda, for really coming through for me. I really wanted to show you some things about why I use the boom arm on a C-stand so much, because it's just so great
being able to boom your light over above your model at the angle that you want, and not have to worry about, you know, just a standard light stand, you know, in it, you know, in your shot, and you have to adjust and go left and go right, you know, to get it out of the shot and everything, or to do some, you know, clone stamping and all that stuff. So using a boom arm and being able to just boom it over your model, man, is just, it's a world of a difference. And I love absolutely using that boom arm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, remember to like, guys, and remember to subscribe. Go and press, because I have like 5 other videos coming to you guys, including the big video between the new Sigma 85mm 1.4 mirrorless versus the 85mm 1.4 DSLR, which most of us already had anyway. So I can't wait to show you guys my shots with those things. You're not going to believe actually what happens. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Holla at your boy. Peace.